Whoa. Oh, I like that. Don't really know what it's for, though. I was just trying to mix them up so that I could... Interesting. Okay, we're going to put masculine and feminine, because normally I wouldn't have shuffled until I was at that point. Higher self. Me down here right now. What's hiding underneath the surface? Closer to the top. Interesting. Okay, what's hiding underneath the surface? All right, we got masculine and feminine. Crazy. What message is my higher self trying to send me? Get you. And what's going to help me through? Okay. Recent past. Okay. It's interesting as soon as I looked away. And near future. Okay, interesting. Nope, that one too. Okay. Interesting, because that one was face up in the deck. Or it flips itself face up earlier, now it's flips itself face down. Okay. We've got the spread. Highest self. The tower reversed. Totally rebuilding right now. Oh, that's beautiful. Awakening. Rising up. Oh, I love that. I'm getting like shocks to the root, but good shocks. Okay, down here right now. The Hanged Man. Oh my goodness. I was literally thinking this morning about how things right now are feeling, it feels like the greater wheel of things is at like a pause, but that I'm focusing on the smaller things in between. I wanted to say like working on or getting better at the small habits of things, or like the regular things, and like making them more habitual, but also being more in the moment with them. I don't really know how to describe it other than I would say being present and aware. That's kind of like the best that I can do to describe it, right? Is present and aware. So it does feel very Hanged Man right now, right? Like at pause, kind of stuck at the moment, but content in a comfortable pose, and awakening, you know. Letting gravity guide my thoughts, letting my thoughts go where they are most attracted to, and just being aware of them in the moment. Masculine King of Wands, feminine Queen of Pentacles. Holy cow. Like full on wizard, full on comfortable stepping into his power, full on comfort and moving forward with the, or not even moving forward, but like governing. The words too big here. I always just bundle them down to like creativity and passions and interests, but it's not just that, but like in total control of the manifesting power because of the full understanding of like the interconnectedness of things. And the Queen of Pentacles. Power over her material world. Power over the physical. I mean, with the King of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles in one place, connecting through connecting through the, like, I don't even know the word to put here either, but just the combination of all of this right now, of having this such power in these fields and having such balance in these fields while being in one place, while rebuilding things. That's a lot. Okay. What's under the surface right now? Excuse me, my dog's over here talking to me. My throat's feeling funny. So what's under the surface here is this Nine of Swords reverse, coming to an end of processing something. And the fact that they're in bed, like waking up to something they didn't want to wake up to. What's going to help through that? Finding balance through service. Finding balance through acts of service. That's what's going to help rebuild. And what message from the higher self? Ooh, the Eight of Wands reversed. If Eight of Wands is like momentum, you know, you finally got your things lined up. But it's reversed right now. So things are still not exactly in the order that they need to be in. Ooh, priorities. Priorities are not in the order that they need to be in. Past. Recent past. Seven of Cups reversed. Not always making the best emotional choices for myself in the past. And in the near future, that Page of Cups reversed, which is going to be another upswing of emotions, you know, such Pisces energy in this Pisces moon season. That is just going to be such a upswing, or another tidal wave of emotions is to come. And which thoughts are you going to run away with? What new patterns are you going to create from what you learned from others? Ooh, which of these swords are you going to take with you? Wow, why do I suddenly hit a wall in my own reading? Because as you're going through this, everything down here is stable and good. But what's underneath the surface is still a little rocky. Still a lot of I was talking today about how it feels like a tsunami. And a lot of things have been revealed. But now I'm just like stuck in the flood. And the waters haven't gone back to normal yet. And I can't process everything. And as I'm in this place, you know, this struggling to process, eyes closed, can't see the accomplishments, hasn't fully woken up to the power of the mind. Like that part is still closed off right now, hidden by some feelings inside. And the way to help to sort that out and help to, balance the scales is through acts of service in the physical, in the material world. Here with others, give where you can. My higher self, the Tower Reversed, is rebuilding right now all of this for me. And the message that they're sending me is, hey, you've got your priorities, but they're still a little bit out of line. Or they're out of order, you know. I still need to get them. Or, oh my goodness, now that I flipped it over, I'm like coming at it from a different angle. It's like, look at it from a different, you need to look at your priorities from a new perspective. You need to look at your list of things from a different angle. Think outside the box, like yesterday said. And again, in the recent past, you chose the wrong things to fill your cup. You chose the wrong things to fill your cup with. And now it's time to empty out the cups. Which is crazy because I had accidentally left a couple of cups cards out of the deck. The ones that came out for me yesterday. Anyways, you've had to empty out those cups so that you can figure out what to fill them with. And the best way to figure out what to fill them with is through acts of service. Because then you're going to figure out, circling back, you're going to figure out what actually fills your cup. You know? In the near future, we've got another round of emotions coming. But if you know what fills your cup, then it's going to help. You're not going to feel like things are being taken from you. You're not going to feel like what the time and energy that you're giving is being taken from you. Yeah. There's a lot here. I'm actually going to have to break this down. Alrighty. I've done a little reevaluating. Or not reevaluating. I listened to the video. And what I figured out is that I want to come get some clarification on some of these things, alright? I read more into this and saw that, this is kind of don't want to see the writing on the wall. And this is gaining power from the tree that holds you, from this stable place, this place of growth. It's the same exact tree, that you gain the power with over here from this wand. All right. Let me see. Which deck do I want to? It is this one. Okay. I'm going to take a couple of these because I want to clarify, what exactly are these acts of service that are meant to be done. And also maybe a little clarification on how to get these priorities in order. Okay, so we're going to get clarification on how we're supposed to serve in order to find balance, find inner peace. How are we supposed to serve in order to rebuild with balance? Okay, well, what just flipped around in there was the no card that came out the other day. So just a little reminder, part of serving yourself is saying no to things that don't serve you. Part of gaining balance is saying no to things, not always about saying yes. But what are the acts of service? Not just the non-acts. Align your life. What's not in alignment that needs to be changed? What makes you feel torn apart? What makes you feel like you're walking on eggshells, like you're walking on glass? What makes you feel that way? Where do you need to, or that's where you need to say no to. You need to say no to the things that make you feel that way. Okay. And then up here, all right, let's see. I'm going to do Star Dragon for some clarification on this Eight of Wands reversed, on what exactly it is that can be done to help realign our priorities. Step aside, step aside. Step in time, step in time. Come on, mighty, step in time. Ooh, about to lose it all, huh? Come on. Thank you. Choice. Understanding consequences. Okay. Choice. Understanding consequences. So part of what is going to help to realign our priorities here is understanding consequences. And that's not always a bad thing. Consequences can be good things too, you know, just like understanding the karmic outcome of things. And this, I am sure that the constellation associated with this one is Hydra. Okay? So, you know, cut off one head to grow back in its place. Isn't that? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the theory. So, yeah. If you take something off of your list of priorities, multiple things are going to try and take its place. And it is up to you, your choice, to choose which of those things is in alignment with you and in service to the whole. Okay. And yeah. I kind of want some clarification over here, but like that's future stuff. Yeah. It'll be interesting to see which lessons I walk away with here. All right. Cool. That's that. Thank you.